Hello and welcome to Test Automation Simplified. This is the first lesson in the series Selenium tutorial. In this lesson, we will discuss what Selenium is, where to use it, and why to use it. We would talk about Selenium's suite of tools available, also what browsers, operating systems, and languages are supported by Selenium. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what is Selenium? In simplest words, we can say it is a web browser automation tool which can be used to automate web application tests and day-to-day repetitive manual tasks on web-based application. Next question which comes is where to use it. It can be used to perform functional progression and regression tests for web-based applications. It can be used to create and automate behavior-driven development and test-driven development test suites. Now we already have a good number of automation tools available in the market which fit the purpose. So why to use Selenium? Number one, it is open source and has wide support from developer community. Number two, Selenium can be used to run tests on various browsers and across different operating systems. Number three, Selenium test scripts and frameworks can be developed in multiple languages. Number four, Selenium has the support of some of the largest browser vendors who have taken steps to make Selenium a native part of their browser. Number 5. It is also core technology in countless other browser automation tools, APIs, and frameworks. Moving on, let us see a set of Selenium tools which enable it to perform and achieve goals of robust, reliable, and scalable test automation framework. Each tool has a different purpose and when used in conjunction with other Selenium tools result in reliable and scalable test automation framework. Number 1. Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is a Firefox add-on that makes it easy to record and playback tests in Firefox. It was developed as a way to use the original Selenium core code without having to copy Selenium core onto the server. Selenium core is the key JavaScript module that allows Selenium to drive the browser. This IDE provides a simple user interface to allow easy record and playback, debug and set breakpoints, save tests in HTML format, enable exporting tests in WebDriver format for different languages and framework, easy customization through user-added extensions. Number 2. Selenium WebDriver. This is the key tool which would be used to build scripts and implement frameworks. WebDriver is a compact object-oriented API. It achieves driving a browser natively as a user would. WebDriver is the name of the key interface against which tests should be written in Java or other languages. The implementing classes one should use are Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Safari driver, Android driver, etc. WebDriver makes direct calls to the browser using each browser's native support for automation. WebDriver was developed to better support dynamic web pages where elements of a page may change without the page itself being reloaded. For example, Ajax elements. WebDriver's goal is to supply a well-designed object-oriented API that provides improved support for modern, advanced web application testing problems. Number 3. Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid allows to scale by distributing tests on several machines, manage multiple environments from a central point, making it easy to run the test against a vast combination of browsers and operating systems, minimize the maintenance time for the grid by allowing you to implement custom hooks to leverage virtual infrastructure, for instance. Coming to browsers which are supported by Selenium. Almost all browsers available in the market today are supported by Selenium for automation. These browsers are Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, HTML Unit, and PhantomJS. Selenium also supports major operating systems such as Microsoft Windows, Apple OS X, and Linux. Selenium scripts and frameworks can be developed in various languages such as Java, C#, Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, and JavaScript. Now that we have seen what Selenium can do, let us see what it cannot. Selenium supports automation for only web-based applications. It does not support automation for Windows-based applications.